Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that in our previous class we have done till question number 3, right? So in this class we will be doing question number 4. So the question number 4 here is find number part A. You can see here 15% of 250. So to find this type of a sum you have to convert percentage into the normal number. So how to do that? To convert any percentage into the normal number, okay, it will be written or it will be divided by 100. So what was the criteria before? To convert any number into percentage we have to multiply with 100. But whenever you have to remove percentage, whenever you have to remove this percentage, you have to divide with 100. Okay, so whenever you are doing so, it will be the percentage will be removed. Now this off indicates multiply and 250. Now what you can do? Of course, cancellation. So 0, 0 can be deducted. Make it more easy, okay? Do not make it complicated. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Anything can be deducted? No. So 15 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 75 by 2. Right? So you can convert this into decimal form. So 275, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 1 5. So it is 2 7s are 14. So it is 37.5. So it is 37.5. Okay, now you will not write any percentage because you have already removed percentage by dividing 100. Okay, dividing it by 100. So now this is the way to do it. Okay, so now proceeding to the next part B, we have 1% of 1 hour. So first of all, what we have to do? 1% should be converted into 1% should be converted, or the percentage should be removed. That is done by dividing by 100. Now off will be multiplication, but 1 hour is not possible, right? So we will convert into minutes. That is 1 hour can be written as 60 minutes. Okay, so in place of 1 hour, what I did, I put 60. Why? Because I am converting 1 hour into 60 minutes. So now percentage is removed, dividing it by 100. Now 0, sorry, only 1 0 will be deducted. 1 0 is deducted. Now 6 divided by 10. You can deduct more. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. It is 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. So you can write 3 by 5 as 0.6. So you can write it as 0.6. So what is the value you are getting? You are understanding, I hope. 1% first I have converted into 100, 1 by 100. Off is written as multiplication. 1 hour I have converted into minute, that is 60 minutes. Okay, and do the calculation. Now, okay, I'll remove this part. Convert or find the value of 20% of 2500. Now, 20% is first converted into the normal form, dividing or removing whenever you remove the percentage, it will be automatically get divided by 100. Now this off will be written as multiplication and rupees 2500, or you have to write like this, minute, because the unit which you are finding. Yes, over here there is no unit, so you write simply 37.5. But here you are converting into you have a unit, right? So you have to, it is very compulsory to write the unit. So over here also it is rupees, the unit is rupees. So now you have already converted this percentage into the normal number, dividing it by 100. So this 0, 0 is deducted. This 0 is deducted. Now just multiply. Rupees 2 into 250 is 0. 5 2s are 10, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 5. So it is rupees 500. So 20% of 2500 means 500. Okay. So in question number 4, we have this much. Okay. So in our next class, we will be proceeding with the next question. All right. So till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.